I am free from the past. The past no longer has a hold of me. I am not who I was. The past has no power over me. I forgive myself. I'm not who I was. I'm not that person anymore. I learned from my mistakes. The experiences taught me how to live differently, and I have done that. I am full of courage. I am a new person. I make new choices. I am happier with the choices I make now. I know differently now. I do differently now. I'm not that person. I don't do those things anymore. I am now healthy. I am now stronger. I am now more authentic than ever. I give myself what I need when I need it. I'm not driven by those drives any longer. My purpose has changed. My insecurities have changed. My motivations have changed. My needs have changed. I'm not who I was. I'm simply not who I was. I don't live the way I used to live. I live in a new way. I carve a new path, and I'm happier than ever. Taking a minute now to simply breathe and settle in. I am present. I am aware of how my body feels right now. I am aware of what I'm wearing from head to toe. I can feel my body's position, and my eyes see the beauty of nature around me. Hello, nature. Hello, calm. Hello, tranquility. Thank you for welcoming me here. Thank you for supporting me now. Thank you for your gentle strength. I open myself up now to embrace the insights you have for me today. I accept your gifts for me today. I absorb your healing for me today. My spirit receives your joy. My soul receives your wisdom. My body receives your purity. My mind receives your clarity. I am renewed. I am refreshed. I am rejuvenated. And I will continue now to connect with you. Exercise. I welcome it into my life. I not only think about exercising, I put my body in motion. I take time to care for my physical health. The benefits emotionally, mentally, and spiritually keep me motivated to keep going. My body enjoys exercise. I enjoy giving myself strength and conditioning time. It's not always easy to find the time, but I realize when I do make the time, it feels great, and I want more of that. I find fun and exciting ways to exercise. I choose exercises that fit my schedule, my physical needs, and my fitness goals. I recognize and choose the best exercises for my age, my ability, and my enjoyment. If I neglect to exercise for weeks or months, I return knowing that today is a fresh start. Exercise helps me relieve stress. Exercise helps me sleep better. Exercise helps me relax. Exercise helps me clear my mind. Exercise helps me get grounded. Stretching, cardio, and resistance training are built into my day. I work at my own pace and I listen to my body's needs. Exercise is me time. It's a way to take care of myself. And I forgive myself for ways I've neglected to care for my body. When I exercise, I feel good. Feeling good is something I make time for. I like how exercise improves my mood. I like how exercising helps prevent disease, improve health, and boost energy. I'm applying ways to track my exercise routines. I'm creating ways to reward myself for my progress. Exercise is a priority in my life, and I am focusing on when, where, and how I exercise. I do not under-exercise. I do not over-exercise. I'm caring for myself in the ways that best suit my well-being. I aim for balance in my physical health and my life overall. I'm inspired to exercise well and achieve an optimal level of fitness. I encourage myself to give myself fun and invigorating times of exercise. I'm thankful for my body, and I'm thankful for its abilities. I will use it before I lose it. I exercise for me and for the level of health I want. I am turning exercise from a chore into a hobby. I love the vibrant glow I feel after a great time of exercise. I love the satisfaction of knowing I have cared for my body well. I love how exercise improves my mood and outlook on life. I feel great and I feel grounded. Exercise is a lifestyle. I live this lifestyle day by day, week by week. Care and attention to my body's strength and conditioning is a part of my day, just like brushing my teeth. I make the time because I am focused and exercise is my priority.